G-Flex trigger. I'm gonna install it into my Gen 5 Glock. Paid $240 for this thing. Specifications, it fits Glock 17, 19, 22, 23, 26, 27, 19, X, 45, 47, 31, 32, and 33. Gen 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, mine's Gen 5, so he's gonna put it in there. G-Flex. Take that out. It's a G-Flex trigger. It's got a little spring inside of the trigger housing. It's the only thing I'm seeing different. Alright, I just took out the Gen 5 trigger. The Gen 5 looks like this. It has a weird hook right here. Top of the trigger housing. It's the weird hook. It's the Gen 5 that I had in the Gen 5 Glock. And then this one is the G-Flex. It has the spring in the trigger housing. No weird hook right there. I'm about to install this one. Alright, y'all, just installed the G-Flex. Trigger feels kind of gritty, like really gritty. It's kind of hard to pull. It's a brake. As soon as you let go of the trigger, the firing pin goes off. There's all your play, the wall, brake, release. But I think you could use this two ways. You could shoot, slide back, release, shoot again. Keep your finger compressed on the trigger. Just let go a little bit. It'll I might have to try that to range. Yeah, man, G-Flex, just installed it. Go to the range soon and test it out. It's my Gen 5 Glock 45 with the shadow system upper on it. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Glock 19.
Huh?